The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in southwest Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwest Arkansas, western Garland County in central Arkansas, southwestern Hot Spring County in southwest Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, Pike County in southwest Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southwest of Narrows Dam, or 5 miles northwest of Murfreesboro, and moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Piney, Rockwell, Murfreesboro, Lake Washita, Lake Hamilton, Lake Greason, the Gray Lake, Arkadelphia, Becker, Richwood, Okalona, Norman, Narrows Dam, Mountain Pine, Myers, Lofton, Green Landing Recreation Area, Lake Washita State Park. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 54 and 87. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Clark, Dallas, Garland, Hot Springs, Montgomery, and Pike. Tornado emergency for the warned area at 6:16 p.m. Storm spotters and the National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a tornado. This potentially deadly tornado was located near Lake Coronado, or 11 miles northeast of Hot Springs, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in or near the path of this tornado include Piney, Rockwell, Lake Washita, Lake Hamilton, Hot Springs, Nimrod Lake, Mountain Pine, Myers, Lofton, Green Landing Recreation Area, Lake Winona, Lake Washita State Park, Lake Lago, Lake Coronado, Lake Balboa, Jesseville, Hot Springs Village, Hot Springs, and ATL Park. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, southwestern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles west of Quitman, or 12 miles southwest of Greers Ferry Lake. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Zebra Springs, Greers Ferry Lake, Quitman, Greers Ferry Dam, Greers Ferry, Fairbanks, Woburn, Pearson, Hopewell, Igden, Brownsville, Tumbling Shoals, Tannenbaum, Sunny Slope, South Shore Park, Snell, Shiloh Recreation Area, Scott Island. The storm, which prompted